Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here in Cairns, it's so beautiful. Cairns, amazing beaches, like very clear beaches. There's all the yachts over there, which is just epic. We're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I think is gonna happen. We made a lot of money yesterday, around $10,000 or $20,000, which is beautiful. Mainly from Luna. Luna had a big pump up, almost 100% gain yesterday, which is epic. I'm going to show you my trades, what I think is going to happen. I'm going to show you what I'm doing with Bitcoin, what I'm doing with Luna, and also what I think is going to be happening to the general market. The stock market will open today as well, which is going to be beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, and don't forget, whenever you sign up, if you subscribe, if you comment, you hit the thumbs up button, you're going to go into the chance to win 200 USD, 5 winners, so $1,000 every month. But every video, you got to comment, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up, and get your friends to subscribe. We're going to choose the winners. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin, and we're having a huge movement up in Bitcoin, and it's holding that 31K mark. It's through the 30. If you've been following my videos lately, we had a range on Bitcoin for a very long time, for the last more than 1 month, between 28,600, 30,600, 28,600, 30,600. We've just been ranging, and yesterday we broke through. We went all the way up to 32,300, and then we're sitting there. But what it's actually doing, it's making a bull flag. We had a bull flag here. We're having a bull flag here. It's on the daily resistance. Most likely it's going to break through. And if this breaks through, it will be a huge movement for Bitcoin. It's a very strong resistance, this 31,000. If it can break through here, we've created one mega W formation that if it breaks through the neckline, we've got a movement that will blow people's minds. The movement for Bitcoin will be from 31,600 all the way up to 35,000, that big resistance line. And look at that, it lines up perfectly with this old channel that we had for Bitcoin. If you've been following my videos for a long time, you know that this was an old channel. This will be the big resistance, because Bitcoin's been moving along this this support line for a long time, almost 2 years. Back in May 2021, we bounced off it at 29K. It's been heading up, and then we had this breakdown. If it can get there, 35,000, that's the moment of truth, whether we go back into a bull market. Because at 35,000, if it gets rejected there, then it can come down again and drop more. So that 35K, and look how it lines up perfectly with that 2-year trend line if we break out here. So amazing point for Bitcoin. Stochastic is heading up. We've got more to go. RSI is heading up, much more to go on the daily. Squeeze mob is just starting to go to the green side. This run has got more. On the 4-hourly, squeeze mob is all the way in the green already. RSI very overbought already. In the short time frames, we're very overbought, but it looks like it's bull flagging and heading up even further. Which is beautiful. We broke out of this descending triangle talked about. You can learn technical analysis in the crypto master course with my 6,000 students. We're above the EMA ribbons, and they have turned for the first time in a very long time. The EMA ribbons haven't turned bullish in a very long time. So Bitcoin is actually potentially bottoming here, which is really good news. VPVR, we've got major support down at the 29K. Crypto Guru Bot fired a buy signal. It hasn't fired a buy for a very long time either. You can see here, we had a few hours of a buy back in 3rd of May. Then we went red sell for a long time. And just yesterday, it fired a blue buy. You get the Crypto Guru bot in the master course. The link is in the description. Bitcoin indicator bot it didn't show a buy here for some reason, but it's looking bullish on the hourly. Stochastic is already heading down, resetting. RSI is moving up, making higher highs. Squeeze mob is still in the green side. So I think this is making another bull flag. You can see a similar pattern here. We had the pole, we had a flag, and we moved up. We have a pole, we have a flag, and we're moving up again. So most likely Bitcoin is going to be heading to the 35,000. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description and the pinned comment down below, make sure every video you hit this thumbs up button. The more likes we get on these videos, the higher the chance YouTube will push this video to the world. Hit the subscribe button. Join now almost 75,000 subscribers. Click the join button to see my live trades in stocks, cryptos. And if you want to trade using the software that I use, this ByBit link down below, you get a sign-up bonus of 4,600 USD when you sign up to ByBit and you start trading using this link. If you don't use this ByBit link, you only get a $400 sign-up bonus. If you use this James Crypto Guru ByBit link, you get a $4,600 US dollar bonus when you sign up. And if you want to take the crypto master course with the Crypto Guru bot, the link is also down below. More than 6,000 students. And over Binance, ByBit, I made a lot of money yesterday. Actually, there's $212,988 in my account here. It was $203,000 yesterday, so it made almost $10,000 yesterday, which is beautiful in this account. It's sitting just under 213,000. It hit 213,000, so it made $10,000 since yesterday. In here, I've got USDT 82,000, BUSD 49,000. I've got one Bitcoin which we bought yesterday at 30,400. If you follow my video, I've got Terra Luna which I bought 15,000 worth. Now it's 25,000, so up 10,000 on Terra Luna. And I've got BIT which I bought 10,000. It's just sitting a little bit low. I'm gonna buy more BIT, and I've got CRV which is up 5%, which I bought yesterday as well. I've got no open shorts, longs or shorts on Bitcoin. And I've got buy orders for Luna CRV at $1.20. I've got a sell order for Luna at $40 to close out that trade. That'll make me $100,000 from $15,000. I've got one Bitcoin buy order at 28,000. Luna, I've got buy orders at $4, $1, and Bitcoin, I've got buy order at 28,000. I'm going to buy another Bitcoin here because it does look like Bitcoin is going to be running to that 35,000, and I'm going to buy more BIT. So I'm going to buy a little bit more Bitcoin. So I'm going to buy another, at the current price, another half of a Bitcoin, so $15,000 worth. Buy Bitcoin at the current price. Actually, let's see if it's going to pull back. It's bull flagging, so I don't think it's going to pull back. Here is the time I'm going to be buying. So I'm going to buy half a Bitcoin here. I'm buying half a Bitcoin here, so I'm going to close out that order from before and buy half a Bitcoin. Buy one Bitcoin. Oh, I'll buy half a Bitcoin, 15,800 at the current price. So I'll do a market order at the current price, half a Bitcoin, 0.5. Buy. Oh no, that's USDT. Okay, so I'm going to do a limit order. Limit 0.5 Bitcoin at the current price. So 15,800. So I just added another half a Bitcoin to the order. My trade is just sitting there. Let's see if it executes. I'm also going to buy more BIT because BIT, in my opinion, is bottomed at 75 cents. And this has the potential to run up massively because it was at a few dollars back before the crashes. So I'm going to buy $10,000 worth of BIT at the current price by BIT. My Bitcoin order just filled. I just bought $10,000 worth of BIT. So I've got now 66,000 US dollars, 49,000 BUSD, so around 100 and something thousand US dollars. I've got one Bitcoin, no, 1.5 Bitcoin in here worth $47,000. I've got Luna, I've got BIT now. My BIT order is waiting to execute. I'm going to have around $20,000 worth of BIT. It's just sitting, now it's executed. So now I've got $20,000 worth of BIT, and I've got CRV. That's what I've bought here on Binance. I have in here, in this account, $385,000 in here, which is beautiful, $385,620. I've got USDT, $216,000. I've got 136,000 BUSD. I've got one Bitcoin, which I bought yesterday. That's all. I've got Terra Luna Classic, and now I'm getting airdropped of Terra. Binance has started airdropping its Terra Luna, the new Luna. So in here, I'm going to buy, I've got buy orders for Bitcoin, and I've got buy orders for BNB. Let's check out BNB because BNB is having big movements right now. I want to see. BNB is sitting at $320. Let's check out the charts for BNB because BNB is a great cryptocurrency in my opinion, and it's very oversold. But the bottom was actually very low. We had a bottom of 225. It's up almost 30% since then, which is amazing, or more, almost 50%. And that does look like a bottoming formation. That does look like a W. It looks like we're going to have a big rally here on Binance. If it can break through, the target will be $417. It's at a big resistance though. It would be better to break through the resistance, but it is looking really bullish here. Stochastic's got more to go. RSI, Squeeze Mob is going to the green side, much more to go. And RSI is heading up. Stochastic is overbought a little bit. Squeeze Mob is going to the green side, but peaking on the 4-hourly. Should I be buying BNB here? It does look bullish. So I think I will be buying BNB here, but we have a strong resistance at 332, but I'm going to buy around $50,000 worth of BNB. So the best place, a strong support for BNB would be actually at 200 here, 299. So I'm going to change these orders that I have for BNB. I've got an order for BNB 280 and 272. I'm going to make an order for I'm going to make a $50,000 order at 290. 50,000 worth. at 290, buy BNB. And I'm going to buy BNB right now. I'm going to buy around $50,000 worth of BNB. I need to use, because I've got too many orders, I'm going to close one of the orders. Bitcoin, it looks like I was right with Slavic and my bet is correct. It doesn't look like Bitcoin is going to be going lower than 26,500. So it looks like I've won another $1,000 from Slavic, but let's see. Finance, I've got in here now BUSD, USDT, Bitcoin, and BNB, $50,000 worth of BNB. Over on ByBit, I've got $312,900 in here. Luna, Bitcoin, Bit, CRV. Again, this is what I'm doing in the markets. You always have to do your own due diligence. And again, underneath this video, if you sign up to ByBit, you get a sign up bonus of $4,600 when you sign up. Also, everyone, we've got voiceover artists coming into the channel that are working for me. We're still hiring Spanish, Chinese, Japanese voiceover artists. Korean's already been filled. Thai, we're still filling. If you want to be my voice, jamescryptoguru.com. You can go talk to my team members. Bitcoin, please, I'm trying to work. Check me. Everyone knows this feeling. You're the man. Love the crypto course. Thank you, Joe. Best subscription of the year by far. Thanks for what you do, James. Thank you, Carter. And see, Carter has this membership icon. If you click that join button, you become a member of YouTube and you get my live trades as I make them in the market. Luna is one of the biggest pumps that I've had right now. It's up 34% today. My $15,000 now at $25,000. Unfortunately, I would have had $3 million if that trade, if you followed my videos before, if that trade went off, but it didn't actually manage to go off in time. I had $50,000 buy order at 50 cents. Now that would be close to $1 million. But anyway, you missed some things. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.